What's up, YouTube? How is it going? Welcome back to another daily vlog. So I'm just going to collect a car because I was supposed to collect it this morning, couldn't because I had to go and take Jensen to school. So that does mean that my car is getting put on the back burner yet again. Unless I can get this all done, and maybe I can get onto this later. Maybe. So, yeah. So yeah, so let's go and get this car. And, speak to you in a bit. There we go. Pick this motor up. She started, it's been sitting around for a few months. Oh, a bit dusty. Let's get it back to the garage. Speak to you in a bit. And he's down the shop. Lisa is busy pressing. So as what I said last night, this is what it looks like now. She's nearly done it all.
I've done it.
Oh, you have done it. Yes, congratulations. Done. Well done.
Next job.
Next. I think we've got to do those as well.
Yeah.
And so I am just unboxing a sign that's arrived. Wobbly sign. It's quite a big one by the looks of it, because I wonder what the boxes were. It's a big box. That's the base for it over there. Yeah, and then I've just got to make the sign that goes inside of it.
No, that's all done.
Oh, that's all done. Result, even better.
Waiting for that to turn up.
Even better. I haven't had to do anything. Well, apart from assemble it. I bet it's going to be like a million pieces now. I'm going to be like, oh man, sucks. Yeah, so I'll just come down to help her, but she's pretty much nearly done.
No, I'm not. I've got another 20 to do.
We've got another 20 to do.
But
and then we're going to go to
Lidl's. Sainsbury's. Lidl's won't have any food for the guinea pigs.
We're going to get some food for the guinea pigs, and then we're going to go home. Anyway, so I'll speak to you in a bit. Bye for now. Well, so we're still here. Been about an hour now. We are ploughing through these. So this is one of the companies that we sponsor, Bonfire Society. So we've just put in their logos on. Marshall. Big event at the weekend, which I'm going to try to get to and vlog. So here is a finished example. See, and it's got our logo on the bottom.
And we sponsor
Marshall.
their Hi Viz.
We sponsor their Hi Viz.
So you know safe.
And then, so on the front of it, it's got their logo. And then on the back, obviously that, and then our bit at the bottom. So we've done a few now, we've just got another sort of million to go, and then we'll be there. So we are listening to Josh Groban, the classics.
Help us on our way.
So yeah, I'm going to get on with this, and we shall speak to you in a bit. Bye for now. Right, there we go. We are done. We're done, love, aren't we?
Yeah.
Pretty much. There's like a few more to do, but here we go.
Shopping.
They are all done, bar a couple left. But it's getting late. I need to get this dog home. Lisa's got to go to the shop and grab some guinea pig food, some bread, some milk, normal stuff, and get back for this boy. Get this boy home. Hey, Cobe, gonna go home?
Enough.
Is that enough now? Is that enough? Been here all day, poor boy. Right, take me new shirt for the garage. Right. So anyway, guys, I'm going to end today's vlog here. Oh, that's that sign. Obviously, it's assembled. It's big, isn't it? Stand here. Get her.
Need that bowl.
Okay. See? Big, isn't it?
Oh, you want to
no, I don't need the dog bed. Right, so anyway, like and subscribe. Smash the notification bell if that's something you're into. She's hassling me to get out the door, so we'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.